I'm looking on here. Here's the inside joint, and the mud has just loosened up a little bit along that. There's some paper tape underneath that, so it looks like it's just the top bit of the mud. This is a moisture area because that's on the exterior. That's an exterior wall. We're right outside here, and because there's wallpaper here, got a little moisture behind the wallpaper. Not enough to affect the overall backside of the sheetrock, but just enough to kind of make this mud pucker, okay? That's where I got my trusty light out. Oh, look at that right there. Okay, there's your paper tape, and the paper tape is moving right there. It wasn't moving up above. I think what I'm going to have to do there is I need to cut that out. I hate to do it, but I want my job to look right. You know what I mean? Let's see. When they cut the initial sheetrock, they didn't have it filled in there exactly together, and the mud was trying to cover, or the paper was trying to cover a void, and there wasn't much backing behind the paper enough, and that's what ultimately caused it to fail. That's all right. I'll use some self-adhesive webbing tape there too. Now the thing I like about the webbing tape, see if I push on there, the surface of the sheetrock paper is loose. See that? But I don't want to cut that out any further. I can put my self-adhesive tape in there. It's going to stick on there. It's going to stick here. When I put the quickset on there, it's going to fit and fill up the voids in there, and it's going to act as metal place. When that quickset dries, oh, that patch is going to be good, and that's going to keep this from pushing out any further or in. And so I'm going to leave that. Now if you put paper tape on there, it's not as strong for your patches as the self-adhesive tape. Okay, because once it dries, the paper tape is still going to not hold that as well as the webbing adhesive tape. So on all your patches, whenever you can, use the self-adhesive webbing tape. You always get a better patch. Man, I'm glad I had my construction light with me, and I carry that around all the time. It's nice so you can shine it up on the walls, and I can see all kinds of things on the wall that I would have missed. Here's even a spot right there. I would have missed that. There's another sheetrock nail head. I'm going to have to countersink. There's another one there. And I would have missed all of this over there had I not looked close with that light. How much do you think that light costs? About $15 or so. That's it. If I get this fixed for you, will you be happy then?
I would be so happy, VideoJoe. Thank you.
Okay, that's what I wanted to hear.